Grade name Agung Slamet, Introduction to School SMK Terpadu Citra Bangsa. Today, I will make a fried tofu meal. Okay, now we see the ingredients. That is tofu, cooking oil, garlic, salt, and water. Let's make it. First, melt garlic and salt. The spoon put garlic and salt into a bowl of water. The drip soak it in the water for a minute, like in seeing. Fourth, heat the cooking oil in a frying pan. Then the 50 fry him white until him brown yellow color.
Sumpah ya kan.
The letter 60. Leave fried tofu and drain. Okay, friends, ready to eat.